Howdy folks, I'm Mama Bee, and as classic of my chickens, they decide to molt just as it's getting cold. So we've had some snow on the ground, some freezing nights, and this little lady, look at her. She's lost all of her feathers, and no, nobody's attacked her. She's just a mess. These chickens are silly like that. Sometimes they just lose all their feathers at the wrong time. What's up, little lady? Why you lose your feathers now? This is bad timing. And the coop is full of them. She's not the only one. The one next to her, not as bad. But those two white ones, they both just lost a bunch of feathers as well. How do you maintain egg laying when all your feathers are gone and you can't keep your body warm? The answer is you don't. Look at the bald patches on that little lady. They're everywhere. I've never seen a chicken lose so many feathers when they're molting. She's done a right proper job. Anyway, I think it's kind of funny, a bit silly. Thought I'd share it with you. Folks, thanks for watching our videos and have a fantastic day.